Hi everyone, my name is Puru. I'm from thesupportzone.com and the purpose of the Support Zone is to offer remote bookkeeping services to small business owners and small, you can say, family businesses. Okay, and so with the help of today's video, we are going to see how we can download and install Quicken Classic 2024 onto our computer. So the upcoming videos will be all about Quicken and the tutorials, how you can use Quicken effectively. So let's quickly go ahead and dive into this, how we can download and install it. Okay, so in order to download and install Quicken, first you need to go to quicken.com. So you need to go to quicken.com, and once you open quicken.com, you need to go to sign in and click on under sign in. There is an option of my account and you need to log in to your Quicken account. Okay, and afterwards you need to enter your information in order to log in. So let's quickly go ahead. Let's try it now. All right, so they just sent me a code on a text message. Let me quickly go ahead and enter the code in. All right. So as you can see, I am logged into my Quicken account. So let me go ahead and scroll the window to the very bottom. Once I scroll it down, I need to click on Quicken for Windows because I'm using a Windows computer. Okay, and you can see it starts to download Quicken onto the computer. All right, so once the download is completed, we are going to go for the second step. That is going to be, you can say, installing Quicken on the computer. So let me sign out from here because it starts to download, and then we can move forward. All right, here we are, and it is about to be completed now. It is taking some time to download because of my internet connection. It is something kind of slow today, so that could be one of the reasons. In the meantime, I just want to let you know that I'm a remote bookkeeper. I also provide Quicken bookkeeping services. In case you want me to help something related to your bookkeeping or with Quicken, please do reach out to me. You can find out my contact information in the below description box. As you can see, Quicken is downloaded. Let me go ahead and click on it. All right, let me click on yes, and it starts to install. So let me go ahead and allow the notifications. You can see install Quicken and update. Let me click on next, and then let me click on install. So it starts to install Quicken. It is installing Quicken at the moment, which will going to take a next couple of minutes to install. And it is installing, and I'm using Quicken Home and Business. Okay, so that's the edition that I purchased. So I am creating this video assuming that you have bought Quicken either from quicken.com or directly from any retailer store. Okay, it is installing. I said Quicken Home and Business. I'm really sorry about that. That is Quicken Business and Personal. Okay, so you can see Quicken is installed. Let me click on done, and then I am going to set up a Quicken data file completely from scratch. Okay, there are three options which they are giving us. There is open a data file located on this computer, restore a data file I have backed up to an external drive or online location, start over, and create a new data file. Okay, so I'm going to choose the third option, which is start over and create a new data file, and then I will click on get started. I will name it as, you can say, Quicken 2024. Okay, so let me click on save, and you can see the file is about to be created. If I say here, all right, they are asking us for the sign in information. Let me quickly go ahead and enter that in. All right, so they just sent me a text message. Let me go ahead and enter that information in again. That is going to be, okay, the code is in. All right, they are setting up the data file in Quicken, and we are all set. And they are saying add account. We are not going to add the accounts at the moment. We are just simply go ahead and you can say ignore that step at this moment. Okay, we are not adding this thing. We are adding the accounts. In the next video, I'll show you how we can add accounts, and I will show you how we can add the accounts manually and how we can add them online as well in Quicken. And then you can download the information automatically within the Quicken account itself. So as you can see, the Quicken is downloaded onto our computer. So if I say I will gonna go ahead and close Quicken, here is a Quicken icon. If I would like to make a double click, it will going to be get open. So I'm using Quicken Business and Personal, and this is how Quicken looks on a Windows side here. All right, so here we have it now. So that was all about how we can download and install Quicken on the computer. And within the upcoming days, you're going to see a lot more about Quicken videos. About Quicken, I will show you all the Quicken tutorials and all that. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.